Vinayak Sood and I'm from New Delhi. I'm currently studying in Netaji Subhash University of Technology.
Hi everyone, this is Disha from Tokyo. I am currently an undergraduate student at the Hokusai University in Japan.
Hi, my name is Maurvika Taneja and I am from New Delhi. I am currently pursuing economics honors from Sri Venkateshwara College.
Hey everyone, I am Kunal Bharadwaj. I'm currently pursuing electronics and communication engineering at Netaji Subhash University of Technology in New Delhi.
Hello everyone, my name is Pratiksha Pradhan and I am a student of Delhi Technological University.
Hello everyone, my name is Tushar Agarwal and I am currently pursuing BE from Netaji Subhash Institute of Technology, New Delhi.
Hi everyone, I'm Shraddha Iyer. I'm a second year student at Hindu College.
Hi, I'm Himani. I'm a first year student at Netaji Subhash University of Technology.
Hello everyone, I'm Aditya Shankar, a student from Hindu College, Delhi University.
Hi, my name is Amol Singh and I'm currently pursuing Bachelor's in Engineering from Netaji Subhash University of Technology, New Delhi.
Hello everyone, I'm Yuktesh and I'm from Mysore and I'm currently pursuing my bachelor's degree at the Hokusai University, Japan.
Hey folks, my name is Yashi and I'm pursuing Bachelor's in Journalism and Mass Communication from SHUATS Allahabad.
Hey guys, I'm Tarunpreet Singh. I'm currently pursuing BTech from Netaji Subhash Institute of Technology.
Hello, my name is Kashish and I'm currently pursuing ECE from NSIT Delhi.
I'm Abhinav Adas.
Hey everyone, my name is Amit and I'm from Netaji Subhash Institute of Technology, Delhi.
I'm a part of the market research team.
I have been working as a graphic designer.
For the opportunity to be a content writing intern for CrossSkills.
At CrossSkills, I've been interning under the Business Development Department, focusing mainly on the workshops and the online domain.
Market research intern at CrossSkills.
I worked in the content department at CrossSkills.
I am working as a graphic designer at CrossSkills.
I'm serving as an intern in the Business Development Department at CrossSkills.
I've been working as a content writing intern for CrossSkills.
Working as a marketing research as in CrossSkills.
Working under the Business Development Department for CrossSkills.
Currently working in content writing department of CrossSkills.
I am part of the business development team at CrossSkills.
I worked as a content writing intern at CrossSkills.
It has been an amazing internship period under CrossSkills where I've actually got to learn a lot of skills, whether it be talking effectively or organization of data or to research in a better manner. CrossSkills have been able to provide us with all the valuable skill sets that anyone should acquire. Our mentors, Anirudh and Krishna, have been amazing people who have helped us with every minuscule problem that we faced in this internship. It has been an amazing experience working with all the team members who were equally diligent and hardworking.
I'm a second year student interning with CrossSkills. It's been a month now and I feel privileged to be making this video right now because I got the opportunity to share my views. I feel very delighted with my experience here at CrossSkills. Firstly, I'd start by saying a big congratulations to Mr. Anirudh for have come up with this startup, for have organized everything so well. You're doing a great job. Continue, keep up with it. You are an inspirational man and I have learned a lot from you. Secondly, I was very grateful to God. So I got to work with one of the very best minds out there. My team was amazing, very inspirational, very motivating. We pushed each other to achieve everything well within time. We have worked past time and so that we could bring out the best of our potentials.
The experience was truly amazing and overwhelming. It was full of colors, and it was possible because of the mentors out there, especially Anirudh sir. Special thanks to Anirudh sir for being there, for guiding me and my team members throughout this internship. I would also like to acknowledge here my team members, Pratiksha, Amit, Tarunpreet and Yashi for being so cooperative and helpful throughout this internship. Special thanks to Yashi for being there always for the help. My internship in CrossSkills, I was offered to write brochures, and as a beginner I do not know much about it, but being there in CrossSkills, we get guidance, we get mentorship. It was really amazing. I have created many brochures for CrossSkills and it was really an amazing experience. Also at CrossSkills, I learned the art of blog writing, which was new to me, and I really liked it, learning it, the art of blog writing.
So I want to share my experience. I've been working here from last 2 months as an intern at marketing research. this is a great experience with this, and I come across a new skills and new friends which made in my entire internship tenure. I would like to thank my mentor, my team lead, my colleagues, especially Anirudh sir, which really support me and gave me extra guidance, because I have no idea about how to do the work. I really love to work in here, and thank you everyone and CrossSkills to take me the part of this wonderful team. Thank you for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
Being a part of such a diverse and committed team has been a really formidable experience for me. Learning alongside such curious minds and being guided by such inspirational mentors has made this journey really, really enlightening. Being an intern here, it has allowed me to gain knowledge in various topics. Some of them are like business strategy, business planning, proper communication, and team leadership.
I've really loved my experience there. My team mentor, Mr. Anirudh, has been a really big support. All my teammates, we have bonded personally, and I really love working with them. We have bi-weekly meetings and we discuss a lot of things over there and have learned a lot.
And it's been a great experience. I've learned a lot of new things, such as the amalgamation of different departments on one project. The team leaders have been exceptionally nice and helpful. You could ask them for any doubt regarding or not regarding the work that had been assigned to us. They were always there.
The journey up till now is really great and quite a learning one. I have learned quite a lot of things, like how to communicate effectively, how to present my thoughts in a more organized manner, and how to work a task individually or in a team as well. My team members and my mentors are really helpful and quite supportive. They have created a very positive environment to work.
I've had a good experience working at CrossSkills with people from different parts of the country and the world. I believe that I have gained some useful insights on business planning, execution, and marketing of events. Our mentors here at CrossSkills have provided us with valuable information and resources from time to time that I believe will aid us in our personal careers, for which I am truly grateful. Working with my team members, brainstorming ideas towards the development of different sectors of the company was truly an enjoyable experience.
And I think it was a very valuable experience. Although it's not the kind of internship one would look for because it was virtual, but we've all had to adopt to the pandemic and make changes to our lives. So nonetheless, it was a very interesting internship and everything went comfortably even though it was virtual. And as a content writing intern, I had to prepare content for the social media posts of CrossSkills, and also I had to write well-researched and creative blogs for CrossSkills.
My experience at CrossSkills has been great so far. The bi-weekly meetings and the weekly training sessions were really informative and fun. My mentors, Krishna sir and Anirudh sir, you've been really sweet. And you've tried to solve all of our queries to the best of your abilities. I'd also like to thank Anirudh sir especially for teaching us a few Excel tools and research tools. I'll definitely be putting them to a good use in the future. Now, since I'm nearing the end of my internship period, I'd especially like to thank my market research team. You guys have been great and amazingly supportive.
I would say that the internship at CrossSkills has been a very learning experience, especially because I've been able to gain insights into the development, marketing and implementation of a business idea. Over the process, the mentors have been extremely kind and extremely supportive, and I've also had the time to work with some amazing people as my teammates with whom I've shared some great discussions and great ideas.
CrossSkills is a platform where talent meets experience. The freedom to choose your own task is the wonderful benefit. My mentors are always there to guide me throughout the duration of internship and always encouraged me to think out of the box to design. This opportunity was fun and an exciting challenge. I have always wanted to be versatile as a designer and not be restricted to one type of design. And CrossSkills provides me the platform to explore the different facets of design. Working at CrossSkills is a great experience and the decision that I would not regret ever.
The experience has been really great. I learned so many things from this internship that if I would list all of them up in this video will last for a whole day. But to list few of them, I would say that I learned how to write engaging blogs, how to provide them attractive headline, how to post your blogs on WordPress and Medium. The training sessions that were held at CrossSkills were really helpful for me. I learned so many things from the training sessions, that how to prepare an effective resume, how to use LinkedIn, how is public speaking important for us, and many other things. The mentors at CrossSkills are really helpful throughout this internship, and I learned so much from this internship. This internship is like a life changer for me. I can also say that this is the best thing that happened to me in 2020.
Interning at CrossSkills has helped me gain an insight on as to how an organization works. It has also helped me expand my horizon of knowledge and experience in the field of business development. Through the course of this internship, I have enhanced my presentation skills and have also learned a lot about how a company runs in the industry. Our mentors and team leaders are cordial, welcoming, and have always been a source of guidance throughout. They've always been appreciative of our ideas and have provided insightful feedback time after time. Talking about the team members, I feel we've all blended and gelled in pretty well. Everyone has been supportive throughout, and there's always a diverse platter of ideas during our discussion.
My experience is really good. I've learned a lot of new things which I probably could not learn on my own or anywhere else. The team members and mentors in our CrossSkills are really supportive and encouraging. They always try to motivate us to come up with new ideas. I would like to appreciate CrossSkills for the type of services they provide. I mean, they are really helpful for professional adults as well as students.
So I would like to mention our bi-weekly meetings and the fun-loving though learning talks at CrossSkills, which happen every week once. And it was my favorite part in my internship. It was really amazing and I enjoyed a lot.
We have also learned how to be considerate towards other people's opinions. We have had team engaging sessions, mentoring sessions, training sessions, event. We have always complimented each other for the best. CrossSkills and I fit well together for my quarantine, for my lockdown, for Corona. I feel great to have interned here.
And I've been a content writer. I've been into content writing since primary school, and I still write occasionally. But through this internship, I got to explore a whole new side to content writing. I was introduced to content strategy and content marketing and a lot more new things. And I don't think I would have been able to learn this elsewhere. So this opportunity has taught me a lot of new things that way. I also got to work on WordPress and Medium, so I got to learn about these platforms and how to use them. And since all the blogs that we were writing required a good research, so it helped me develop my researching skills. And I got to learn different ways of approaching a single topic through various discussions that we had with the entire team. And as for my team members, I didn't really get to interact much with them because of the virtual internship. But from all the meetings and discussions we would have regularly on Google Meet, I feel like they're very creative people and very hardworking people, and they're the kind of people who get things done on time. So I appreciate that about them, and I really wish I got to know them better in person. But it was great having such an enthusiastic team. Apart from that, I would also like to thank my mentors at CrossSkills, who helped us all challenge ourselves better, and they gave us a creative freedom, yet they were always there to guide us. So they were always there for us, and they always taught us, and they were really patient. So I would like to thank them for that.
All in all, I would say CrossSkills is a one-stop destination providing courses which hone your personality, be it career-oriented or for hobby development.
CrossSkills is an amazing platform for anyone who wants to hone up their skills, and it is doing great. And at the end, I would just like to thank CrossSkills for providing this internship and wish them all the luck for their future endeavors.
Overall, I feel CrossSkills is doing commendable work in allowing people to learn new skills and to pursue their passion. So if you're someone looking to hone your personality, I would definitely recommend you to try CrossSkills.
I'd like to wish CrossSkills all the best for the future endeavors. Thank you.
And at last, I'd like to wish CrossSkills all the very best. May you achieve all your future plans. and may you reach milestones. Best of luck.
I would like to recommend CrossSkills to all those students who want to learn some new skills, and also wish CrossSkills a very good luck for all their future endeavors.
And I would like to recommend all of you guys to at least check out their website and give it a chance, learn a new skills, own your professionality, and I wish CrossSkills good luck for the future. Thank you.
According to me, CrossSkills it's a skill development platform that connects corporates and colleges with skill academies and provides extra benefits to each one of them. Personally, it has been a really knowledgeable and enjoyable experience. I would definitely recommend it to anyone who intends to develop any new skill, either technical or non-technical, through this platform and keeps growing their skill set. I wish CrossSkills all the very best for its future endeavors.
I would most certainly like to recommend this to everyone out there, especially those wanting to enhance their persona. Thank you.
At the very end, I would like to wish CrossSkills all the very best for future. You should achieve great heights of success in the near future, or I should say, great heights of success. And all the very best. Thank you for taking me as an intern at CrossSkill. It was wonderful. Thank you, all the members, all the team members out there in CrossSkills, and all the mentors. Thank you very much. All the best.
CrossSkill, in my opinion, is building a skill-based platform for educational institutions, corporates, and members of society who are keen on learning something new. So I would certainly like to recommend our platform for anyone interested in developing a new skill, because that's what we do. I wish CrossSkills all the very best for its future endeavors. Thank you.
CrossSkills is doing a commendable job to help students in figuring out their talents and their skills. So I would like to recommend CrossSkills to everyone. All the best, CrossSkills, for all your upcoming projects.
I thank CrossSkills for letting me intern with them and wish them all the best for their future.
I have already recommended CrossSkills to so many of my friends who were looking for a virtual platform to hone their skill, or were looking for a company to work as an intern that provides you so many training sessions. And thank you so much, CrossSkills, for adding feathers to my resume. I would wish CrossSkills a very best of luck for the future. Thank you.
I would really like to recommend CrossSkills to all those who are trying to learn new skills in this lockdown, since I've seen the efforts the team puts into it. I would like to thank my team mentor and my team members who have made this experience a great one for me, and I would like to wish CrossSkills all the best for all their future endeavors, and I hope it reaches new heights every day.
I recommend it to every intern out there who wishes to achieve a lot in life. It is one of the best teams that you'll ever come across. Thank you, CrossSkills, and I wish you the very best.
This is a great platform, the work CrossSkills is doing, that is reaching out to people and trying to build a community where everyone can come together and learn new skills. I think it's a great platform, it's a great idea, and more people should take advantage of this because it is right at your doorstep, or now it's just one click away. So I would encourage more and more people to make use of this because it will be beneficial in the long run. So thank you for this opportunity and all the best to the CrossSkills team.